All right, y'all. So, didn't do a Wednesday vlog. Was kind of looking at it. Kind of looked a little bit flat, a little bit dull. So I didn't really feel like taking time and putting it out. But a lot of stuff has happened. It's just not really stuff that's like vloggable, I guess. But doctor cleared me. So last night I played in the game. Game went very well. We beat second place. And now if we just need one more point to clinch league. So a draw will win the league. A win will win the league. So that's pretty cool. And besides that, a lot of school stuff going on, getting down to the business end of the semester. So this is kind of a flat video, so I decided not to post it. Caught you slacking, Aspen. But that's that. Now this is a Sunday vlog, so cool. Kobe, you're on camera. There's nothing really to set this up on, so I'll hold it at work now. Gotta do some paper files. Gotta organize them, helping out my mom. This will be my next couple hours. And low-key watching Champions League. So, yeah, go Madrid. It's a little dusty. Kobe's trying to chase it down. Kobe's behind you. You're scared of that or what? Oh, it died. It died. Look at those boys. Got practice today. Could I get a plate with fried rice?
Fried rice and your entrees, what would you like?
I'll do double teriyaki.
$9, you can have to meal.
Thank you. Panda Express for the win. Bag. You love to see it. Love to see it. Pre-game meal. Cooking it right now.
Did we win league or not?
I don't know, did we?
Yeah. I thought we won like the first game already. The first game already won. I was already celebrating the first game.
Hey, Christian, did we win league right now or what?
Well, only 3 times in a row. Only 3 times.
She's funny for that.
Okay, sit down.
Third consecutive league title. Completed the three-peat, the trilogy, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. We got one more league game, so we clinched with a game to spare. And then we got playoffs after that, so that'll be cool. After the game, went and got dinner. Just kind of hung out at home a little bit. But besides that, just kind of kicked back. So, I'm really tired, so I'm going to catch some sleep. I'll see you guys on, what's tomorrow? Friday. This gas price is wildin'. Cute little puppy. So running an errand for my mom, picked up nothing but cakes, like little tiny bundt cupcakes, and they're so good. So if you live around Visalia, go here and get like a cake, because pretty bomb. I don't know what the point of this little clip was. I know the lighting's a little weird. Just got out of practice, and now we're here for Ashley. She could potentially be homecoming queen. So we're here at the stadium, Golden West Stadium, to kind of sit through the ceremony. So I'll take you along for that.
Barrera. Ashley is a life member of the California Interscholastic Federation and has taken a rigorous series of AP courses during her time at Golden West. Ashley's favorite moment from her high school career is during her junior year when she received the All-American Award for her performance as a member of the GW volleyball team. Ashley knows that integrity is key to following the trail at Golden West, and she also feels the urge to do what is right so she can feel good knowing she never hurt others. A bright moment during last year for Ashley was when her volleyball team got to meet up and participate in conditioning. Interacting with her teammates made this year so much better for her. After high school, Ashley plans to attend COS before transferring to a 4-year university to pursue biomedical engineering. Ashley says she survived high school thanks to the help of her 2 best friends, Luna Pelayo and Faye Lewis, who helped acclimate her to Golden West her freshman year. She is thankful for her boyfriend Bryson Riddington for always supporting her, and to her volleyball coach Laura Lopez for sharing her passion for the sport and giving her the opportunity to grow. And finally wants to thank her mom and dad, Pamela and Caesar, for supporting her in everything she believes in and blessing her life with their love. Let's hear it for Queen nominee, Ashley Barrera.
I did not get enough sleep last night, but this tea should wake me up. I'll play soccer at 8, so let's go do that. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, peace out, son. Say good session, good session. Alrighty, we'll stop walking. Good evening. With the puppies. Say hi, Kobe. Aspen, say hi. Hi. She doesn't like me. Anyway, been kind of a lazy day. Got done with soccer and just kind of chilled at home. But Galaxy just beat a little club known as LAFC. Show little brother how it's done. So that's the only reason I'm recording right now, to talk about how the Galaxy beat the other team in LA. How we beat Chivas USA. So, good night. Dodgers currently winning 8-0. Let's see if they find a way to choke. Bless you, bro. You good? Sneeze one more time. You okay? Aspen. Bless you. Weird. But, yeah, Dodgers winning. Hopefully they don't choke. But, evening walk. Update. The Dodgers scored 3 runs while I've been on my walk. And that tree fell down. Well, it didn't fall down on my walk, but it fell down sometime this week. Dodgers looking good. So the Dodgers barely, almost choked it there, surprisingly enough. But that wraps up today's video. Not sure how it turned out, but I wanted to get it up since I skipped Wednesday. So this was Sunday's video.